how to receive notifications only from people you choose on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to receive notifications only from your close friends or users you choose on Signal application. So it's so easy and quick. Let's jump in. Go to your Signal application, click on it, click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Scroll down and click on notifications. Now scroll down and you have notifications profiles. Create a profile to receive notifications only from people and groups you choose. Click on it and now click on create profile, and now name your profile. For example, this one. Click on create and now allow notifications and add people and groups you want notifications on and calls from when this profile is on, and click on add people and choose your close friends or your contacts and click on next. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.